Hi, I'm Siddharth. Welcome back my demo internship video 3 and this is what you will learn in this video. You will learn about end-to-end error handling and standardize the error message. We provide our custom error exception to Spring Boot to we are handling that exception, so we are telling that we will handle, you don't have to handle it. So in this time we are standardize error message, and also we implementing HmacSHA256 algorithm to tampering to avoid the tampering incoming data request, and also we implementing logically with the Spring security. We implementing Spring security by customizing the Spring security filters. Okay, in error handling, end-to-end error handling, custom error messages, we will customize the error message by providing our own error exception. I already told we will provide our own error exception object. In this object we providing error message and error code and error status. We are also telling that globally to Spring Boot application we will handling this. You don't have to handle this exception. So this is how we will providing global error exception class to manage exceptions and custom. It will we can tell exceptions and our custom exception and also runtime exception. We will handle three types also, three types exceptions. And centralized logging, we implementing centralized logging to track errors effectively. And also we implementing HmacSHA256. Oh, you're gonna tell what is this? Yes, this is for we can identify incoming request and we can handling the data tampering. So to validating and signature generating generation, we implemented two methods to handle incoming object request. And this is the feature to avoid data tampering. So I will tell you that what is data tampering. Okay, don't worry. Ensure the data integrity by preventing unauthorized modifications. And also security client request, only our clients secure client request, only our clients can send the using uh, can send the request using secret key. I will tell you that what is secret key also. We will provide our secret key to our client, so using that they can generate a signature, and the generated signature will send to through headers. Okay, and step by step implementation, I will provide the details, walk through the implementation HMAC SH256 in a secure and efficient manner. And also we implementing Spring security, customize security filters by adding our customized filter based on HMAC SHA256, and exception handling in security filters. We going to handle the exception and also in control layer we are handling the exception, and we can handling the security filters exception also, integrating custom exception within secure filters. Okay, I'm going to explain everything. I'm going to now Spring tool suit. If you watch my internship demo video too, you will understand what is this project on. I will explain quick as possible. This is the control layer. I defined a one control called a mobiles controller. Its endpoint is called mobile, and MI. If MI is the endpoint, it will go to hit to the mi method. It ask mi object. I will run this project also, don't worry. There is two endpoints, mi and oppo, and also there is endpoint get mobiles. It will get all the mobiles are stored in the map. I use map this project. So yes, I will show you how it is work. This is the service layer and this is the repository layer. I use map hash map. string and response. Response is a object using string and response in, okay, if the I using two different object mi and oppo, right? That's why I'm using mi mobiles and that object, and oppo mobiles and that object. Okay, I will run this project now. Run as maven build clean spring boot run. What is clean? I already told that we have to clean our previous files, so that's why previous files and other unnecessary tools are downloaded by spring by default, so we have to clean it, otherwise we will get a error unnecessarily. And skip test case, run. Now it is running. Okay, yeah, it's finally running. You can see here Tomcat running on port number 8080. So I'm going to check post office, postman, not post office, sorry. And mi request, I'm sending mi endpoint is used to call that class, mobiles controller class, and this for that method to invoke that method mi. I'm sending m is containing mobile name and model fields. I'm sending that one mi mobile, mi model name is mi note 7 pro. I will send the request. Yeah, it's actually came back to me. And oppo, I am sending oppo method to endpoint oppo, and mobile name oppo mobile, and mobile model reno 10 pro. I will send the request oppo mobile reno 10 pro, get all mobiles. I will get all the mobiles. See, in body I'm not sending anything, none. I will send it. See, mi mobile, mi note 7 pro, and oppo mi mobile. Okay, this is how it looks like. If it runs this project, I will going to implement exception first. Turn off the server and go to build exception new. If exception, I am building exception to, I have to do create different package dot exceptions finish. In this I am going to create new class custom exception. That's enough. Finish. This custom exception must extend runtime exception, because this is an exception object. Extends runtime exception. Good. We go, and I have to, we are going to standardize the, okay, I want to tell you something. Go here, I will run this object again. Okay, I will tell in next, in few minutes I will tell that. I will give you example also. We are going to standardize using error message, error code, and http status code. Okay, private string error message, private string error code, private string. This is the mistake, you will go string and http status. It is by default Java will define a type as a http status. It is a type, we can use it, http status, it is a type, and we going to provide a name for http status. Okay, you guys, you get it, I hope. and Alt Shift S, you will get shortcut for generating constructors and setters and getters. You have to generate parameterize and also zero parameterize, because it shows a error. And generating setters and getters, selecting all, generate and save it. Now you create an object, custom exception object. By in this way, you have to tell that to Spring Boot you don't have to handle the exception, because I am handling the exception by creating our custom exception. So go and create new class name is a global, so I'm going to tell Spring, so that way I'm using to global exception handler. Finish. There is a annotation called as a controller advice. In this is the annotation to tell that Spring Boot we are handling that, so you don't have to handle. We are in this way we are going to tell that. Okay, and I will copy paste the method so you can do it also. I have to finish this demo video, so I'm going to copy paste. I will tell that line by line, don't worry. Exception, copy, and global exception, paste. Control Shift O, it automatically import the all packages. Okay, I will tell this is custom exception, save. Okay, this is annotation is used for, we are telling this is a custom exception object to we are handling this object. In this way we only handling the custom exception. We are not going to handle normal generic exception and runtime exception. We are only handling the custom exception. And delete. What is this? Error response. So in this way we have to create an another response object to put all those errors, message and code and status also. So we have to create a object, new class error response, error response obj object. Finish. Same, I have to define three fields: private string error, message, private string error code, private http status is a type, and giving that variable name as a http status only. And Alt Shift S, it used to shortcut to generate. I am generating parameterized and all zero parameterized and getter setters, select all, save it. In here come, I create a method called as a handle validation exception. I can rename this handle custom handle custom exception. I define a method, it accept object of our custom exception object called as a custom exp. Okay, I'll copy paste here, not here, here. Okay, I define a method called as a handle custom exception. It take input as a custom exception object and returns a response entity. It is a response body. We in that body we are responding that created object. Response error error resp. I recently created, right? So that one object I'm returning that. Copy. Okay, I give a logger to know we can identify what is went wrong, where it is went wrong. Okay, we can get it by using system.out.println validation exception. This is custom exception method invoked. Okay, I create an object for that create. I recently created a error response and new error response validation. Have to put all those here also. What is this? In this custom exception I defined it three fields, right? Three fields: error message, error code, and HTTP status. In whenever I got an error, I have to print in postman three fields. These three fields I'm standardizing the errors. Okay. Okay, I will in this field I got a error, get error, get error message, enter, and get error code and get HTTP code. I put all those to response entity. Okay, there is a error I got. What is this? Cannot initiate the type error response. Why? Obj. I just mistaken. Obj. I have to give it. I created called here. This name error response obj. But I defined here error response. So that's why I'm getting error. I will change. Okay, now it is good to go. And control shift O all it is remove unnecessary package is if it imported. Okay, now it is good. And here I define, now I will tell you flow. I define a custom exception, and after that I define a class to tell that to Spring Boot I am handling this exception, you don't have to handle this. So in this way we can tell that Spring Boot. Okay. Okay, you guys get it, I hope. I'm going to here to throw, I have to throw object, right? Exception. Okay, I will throw here if incoming object is null. Mi is a object, mi is equal to null. I will throw an exception. We can use we have to tell that give this bean whenever I want. So in this way I can use component at the rate component. We are telling to create this bin. Okay, in here I have to import that. How to import that is simple. Custom exception, like provide this and mark as a at the rate auto-add. So Spring is automatically configure itself. Okay, if mi object is null, throw an exception by using custom exception new throw new custom exception. There in custom exception there is a three fields called error message, incoming object is null, and I have to give code also 400 because it is a bad request. Okay, and I have to tell http status dot bad request, enter. This is enough. You can tell that we can, sorry, excuse me, and save it. We can tell that we are handling that exception. Exception message is incoming object is null and 400 is bad request. Save and run. New Java build, clean Spring Boot, run. Skip the test case. In this way we can run quickly by avoiding the test cases. Run it. Okay, it is running. I check the screen is recording or not. I check it. Okay, it is running right now. I will go to mi. I will I just run. We will see that I get the response mi mobile note 7 pro. I will give uh, any. I am not giving anything, so it is means null. I will send. See what I am expecting, what is coming. I just standardize the error exception by using message code and status, but I am getting timestamp, status, error, trace, all those things. I don't want it. So in this way we have to read method not readable exception, http message not readable exception, required request must missing, required body is missing, and to framework. Oh, this is the runtime exception, so I have to handle this. You can see I got so many error messages. I have to how to handle it. I will go to global exception, just copy this, as simple. Don't We don't have to deal with anything. In this, just type runtime exception. Simple. Runtime exception dot class. Change the name. Handle custom exception. Handle runtime exception. As much as simple. So you don't have to deal with this. Just restart the server. It is restarted. I will go here. I just type enter. I am still getting this bad request. Required bodies still I'm got this. Okay, I got this. I go to normal code. Okay, I change here runtime exception, but I'm passing custom exception. So it is not the good thing. I have to pass runtime exceptions only and run runtime exception, run time exp. Okay, custom, I have to run runtime exception method invoked. I have to pass. Okay, create an object using this runtime exception. I get message. There is a method called get message. By Spring Boot by default we can get it. So In this way we gonna add get get yes, get message dot val. Okay, I'll got they are not provide error code, so I can directly say tell that 500 internal server error, and here I'm going to tell that get http. Okay, hash code. I have to tell that http status dot internal server error, okay. Okay, and copy and paste. Okay, in this time I have to tell that http internal server error. Save it. It automatically runs. It automatically runs because of dev tool. You have to. You can use it pretty cool. I will send the request again. See, I am handling. I'm standardize the error code by using global exception handling. See, error message, error code, http status. Required field body is missing. It will give from this Spring Boot. I get the message, and this is our code. Okay, in this way we can standardize the error messages. Okay, it works good. I will show you here. Custom exception. I have to change the things. I change the thing. See, in this way, runtime exception. I will save it again. Go to Postman. I send the request. I got error. Like I standardized the error. See, runtime exception method invoked. In this way, we can standardize. Okay, guys. I hope you guys understood what I am saying. If I'm want to handle our custom exception, right? So okay, in this way I else 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 if mi dot get mobile model mobile, if mi dot get mobile model is null, in this way I can handle our custom exception. Throw new custom exception. I hope you guys understand what I am saying. If null is come from runtime exception, so I don't want to write this. I will by run Spring is handle it itself. Why we have to handle? So I will say if mi dot get mobile model is null, I will handle the custom exception. The server is running. We can check. Yes, server is running. We can go here. I can handle the runtime exception by in this way. I handle it, and what is where is the body? Yeah, where body is can. In this way I can handle our exception. Null, I can send a incoming object is null, 400 bad request. Where this message I return, we can see here. See, custom exception method is invoked. In this way we return incoming object is null. We can specify the things here. Incoming object model is null. We can specify like this. I restart the server, automatically restart. Yeah, server is restart. You can and see here, incoming object model is null. In this way we can customize it. Okay guys, we are handling the exception right now. We are going to write HmacSHA256 logic now. In this way, mm, hope where we have to write it, you can get confusion. In this way we can write our HmacSHA256 logic in service layer. Click new class HmacSHA256. This is enough. I have to write okay, security. Okay guys, this is my this is our class for HmacSHA256 for security purpose. I finish. Okay, in this way we have to write two methods, one for validating, another for generating. I will tell you that why validating why. Okay, after it I will tell that validating method, it public boolean validate is validate or not, yes or no. This that enough for us. And validate signature, we are validating the incoming signature, so method name is signature. In this way we got signature. Okay guys, incoming signature I can't get, I will copy paste here. One second, I'll stop the video. Hello, I think my voice is audible. I have to check it. Yes, my voice is audible right now. Okay, okay guys, I completed the HMAC security class with the two method generating hash code. It is used to generate our signature. So using our secret key we can whatever we want, we can write a secret key, and we have to provide our client. Using this secret key you have to generate a hash code or signature. Okay, how it is look, I will show you that with the diagrammatic. You guys, you can see the diagram I completed just now. Okay, I will out to menu plus. Okay guys, this is the HMAC SHA256 algorithm. In this algorithm we have to pass secret key and incoming object. Incoming object we have to convert to JSON string. I also type that incoming object to JSON string. We have to pass that one. We have to pass two things to generate signature. In this way we can generate signature. I hope this diagram helpful to you guys. Okay, I will check my mic is on. Okay, how to generate, you can see that using that diagram you will see that to generate we have to pass the incoming data to JSON string. We have to pass that JSON here. Using that we have in our class I provided globally the secret key. Whatever it is secret key we can type whatever it is, but make sure the client and you both us only know that, no one else can know that our secret key. Okay, in this way we can generate, these are internal structure to generate secret key and encoded hash code. This is the key. Okay, to validate, how to validate, I have to do diagram. Okay, wait. Okay guys, I completed the diagram. You can, this for the red diagram, this is for to generate. You guys, you already understood how to generate the signature. Now we'll learn how to validate the signature. In this way we can learn. I can zoom the validation. Okay guys, okay. To validate the signature, we have to take incoming signature. By using header, we have to read the header. In this way, we can take the signature, and we have to take the incoming data. Incoming data, we have to convert to JSON string. Incoming signature, we have to take that. Using data, we have to generate the signature. You guys, you know already how to generate the signature. You have to generate the signature, and then we have to compare incoming signature and system generated signature. In this way we can get is valid or is not valid using L if else condition. I hope you guys you understand what I am saying right now. This is how we can validate in incoming signatures and how to generate signature. I will code. I already code it. You guys, you know how to validate. We have to take a data and hash code. Hash code means signature. We have to put null, and we have to generate the signature. In this way I am generating the signature calling above method. And else if condition, we don't want it. If incoming signature is equal to system generated hash code generated signature is not equal, it means in validation hash code, please check validation hash code is not corrected, means incoming request is not authorized or tampered. What is tampered? I will give you example in Postman. Don't worry. In this way I provided. Okay guys, you guys understand what I am saying. I will go to control layer. In this way I will provide that HmacSHA256 for Oppo mobile. Okay, I will using how to generate object to JSON string. There is a class called as a JSON by that is provided by Google, so we have to use dependency. See, you just go to type maven JSON dependency. It will come. We have to take latest. Just copy it and go to JSON. It is used to convert incoming object to JSON string by using JSON, and it is provided by Google. Hope you guys understood. I will go to pom.xml file. In this I will paste it. Control Shift F. It is used to format correctly. Formatted. I will go mobile controller. I will call that class JSON. Control Shift O. I have to save the POM file. I forget to save it. Yeah, it is not saved. Now it is saved. I will go to mobile controller. You just type G and control space. It will automatically suggest which class you want. See, it is provided by google.json. Enter and give variable name. JSON is equal to new JSON. This is how we can create. By creating an object of the class, we can access json.toJSON. This is the method to convert to JSON string. You have to just pass the object Oppo. That's all. we converted the object to JSON. We have to call the validation, validate and generate method. How to call is simple. Go to here and provide this method at component. In this way we are going to tell that create and manage the beans for us to Springboard. Hope you guys understood. And in this way we have to create HMAC security. Okay, I just control space. It will suggest what you want to type and type enter and auto void. In this way you have to give here for us. Okay, just save and I will come here. Okay, in this way I gonna just call that method dot to validate hash code. Validate hash code by we have to pass the incoming object and also with what we have to pass signature. We know incoming request, we already know, we just type we converted the JSON string, right? We know that it is easy to JSON string. We just copy and paste. Okay, now you have a doubt, where is the signature, right? That is so simple. In this way come to parameter for parameterize. It is a parameter incoming object, just enter at the rate request header, type request header. We are using annotation called at the rate request header. In this way we going to read the value of value called value is equal to signature, and we have to provide string. It is a string type signature. Okay, in this way we are going to read incoming signature and pass this variable in here. This is how we implement HmacSHA256 security. Hope you guys understood. I will go here. It automatically restarted by DevTool. We have to check it is working properly or not. I will check MI mobile. In my MI mobile we implemented a custom exception handler. See null. I will send the request, is null. I will provide the body here MI Note 12 Pro. Just click enter, you will get a body. It is working correctly in my mobile. So we have to go to here, just click header, click on key name is signature. We have to pass it. We don't know what is signature. You guys, you understood how to generate signature. We don't want still generated the signature. There is a website called as a generate signature. We use that website also. We can use by okay, we'll show you that. You can using a website, you can generate the signature, and also you can use our program to generate our signature. I will just send the request. I will go to absolutely it get error because I'm not send that request. No class found exception, signature is null. Okay, I will go to our program language. I use SO sysot after generating a signature. custom exception golang json. There is an error for something else. How to look it? What is the error we are facing? com.google.json. There is a error for in this class. I saved this file, but am not saved this file, so this is why I will save it. Okay, I will just go here, enter. Still I'm getting error like that. To mobile controller, mobile Hopo mobile, direct method access, invoke direct method access, invoked. There is unnecessary those things. Message Gmail. Okay, class not found exception. Based on. I hope you guys, why you will gonna ask why this so many messages coming, right? This is a normal class not found exception. I will handle this. See, this is not runtime exception. This is the normal generic exception. How to handle this? I will go global. I will go to global. In this way, I provided the runtime exception. Like same that I will provide generic exception also. Exception class, just error exception and just error. No, don't. I write a three methods to handle our custom exception, to handle our runtime exception, this one, and to handle our generic exception, and enter a exception dot class, and also we have to pass normal exception. In this way we going to handle the normal exception also. Now see, we go to postman, send the request. You can see the here we handle the exception, standardizing it. So in this way we can standardized. So no class defounded, error exception, internal server error, all those things are provided by myself, though we have to provide correctly. I will go here. In here I am getting controller, I am getting JSON. JSON, why it is getting error? It correctly look like Control Shift O. Let's see guys what is working. I will type something and send it. Okay, runtime exception occurring. I'm not getting for class path credential parameterized, restarting due to one class path, zero addition, zero deletion, one modification. Okay, I got it guys. Why it gaming error? JSON class not found exception. I had the pom.xml file, right? After this I am not restart the server. I just using DevTool, it restart itself. In this way, if we edit any file it okay, but pom.xml file, if we edit it, that file, we have to restart the server, otherwise it will not get hit. I hope guys, you understand. I will restart the server now. Run as maven build clean spring boot, run, skip the test case and run. Now it will work, everything good. In this way we am going into is working smooth. Now it is working good. I will send the error. See, invalid signature 400 bad request. So this is not the signature for this body. Okay, I will show you that what it means. System generated hash code signature, this, that correct body signature, this. I will copy that, go to postman, go to body, select all, paste. For this body correct signature is, I just copy that paste and paste it here. This is the current signature for current body. I will send this. See guys, it working correctly. If I change something wrong, I just like Reno only, the model name is Reno, this, if I shoot it, send the message, the current body signature is different, and I already pressed the current body signature is different. That's why I am getting error like this. You guys, you can see here also the system generated signature hash code is this, and incoming signature is this. Incoming signature is this, and system generated signature is, hey, sorry, from now onwards. Okay, I will type enter. I will check here. I am getting confusion because of so many printing statement working on going on. Okay guys, okay, the system generated signature EQ, this is the system generated, because what I am sending the incoming request, I will type that also. Go to Spring controller layer, I will type in here, I am typing SYSO incoming signature plus signature. I will typing that, and enter. You guys get it what I am saying and what I am going to say. Okay, getting error because I changed the body. Reno 8 Pro is previous body, I changed that one. Okay, you guys see here, this is the incoming signature is different and system generated signature is different because body is different. This is called a data tampering. We don't, the user cannot tamper the data. So in this way I will go back to normal body 8 Pro, it will work now. See, this is how it works using a HmacSHA256 algorithm. We cannot data tamper the data, and only our client can send request by their servers. No one can change in middle. So this is how it is work security. I hope you guys who understand this. Now I am going to provide building a Spring security. This is normal, our custom HmacSHA256 security. Now we are building this Spring security. Okay guys, you hope you understand what I am saying. I will going to build Spring security. In this way I have to provide a package for security. Yeah, there is a, go here, click and new package dot security package. I am going to provide all those classes. Okay, give here new class, that class custom spring security. I am customizing it by adding what based HmacSHA256 based. I am customizing and providing the spring security and finish. This is how look like. Okay guys, I return a custom spring security. In this way we have to use two annotation. One for configuration. We have to configure and we have to provide our custom filter. Okay, configuration. So in this way we are going to tell spring security. We are configuring with you. So in this way we are going to tell, and another annotation is called enable web security. In this way we are going to tell that enabling you have to enable our security, web security. Enable web security. So I am not getting. If you're not getting, must and should think we have a dependency regarding spring security. That's why you are not getting annotation. In this way we have to look for dependency. Go to Chrome. First thing we have to make sure if is not annotation is not working, we have to go to directly dependency. If dependency is available, the annotations will automatically suggest to you to use it. If annotation is not available, make sure that dependency is not available in your project. So in this way, spring security maven dependency, just type and enter, choose first one. This is official spring framework dependency. Choose latest version and stable version also. Spring security core 6.3.0. Yeah, I choose this one to deploy dependencies in our project, and just copy. Make sure that correct dependency activate ID is correct or not. Spring security core, this is not original I wanted. This is another dependency. I just go back, getting spring security. In here, yeah, this is original spring boot starter security. You have to check before copying a dependencies, otherwise your system will act. There is a chance your project will be clone somebody's. Copy and go to pom.xml file. In here I will paste Ctrl Shift F for there is an error I'm getting. Why? Ctrl Z. Okay, delete this dependencies. Inside dependencies we have to use dependency tag. So I'm using dependencies. Inside dependencies I am using dependencies tag, so that's why I'm getting error. Okay, now it is good. Ctrl Shift F and save. It automatically downloads some other tools. Go to here and just use enable. It automatically suggests. See, after adding a dependency, it will suggest thing. it's almost 1 hour. I have to finish as quick. I don't have much time right now. Enable web security, and also provide a method. Write a method that returns a security filter chain, because I will show you in diagrammatic how it is look. Okay, I hope okay guys, I just completed the diagram. I will tell you that I have to type incoming request. Okay, okay guys, in if you click the in Postman, if you click the send button, see in here, if you click the send button, it will click the send button. If you think guys, we already implement the security, Spring security, how it works I will tell you, and I will implement after. Okay, in if you click the send button, incoming request go to it to the Spring security filters. This is the Spring filters guys. I will just use, okay, and this is the Spring security filters. There are so many inbuilt filters are available by inbuilt provided by the Spring developers. Okay, in this one there is 1 hour one. No, okay, I will choose. Okay, this is our one. This is our one custom security filter, and we have to develop and we have to put into a security filters. I gonna tell end to end. Don't worry about it. How to create custom security filter and how to put into a security filters, I will tell you that. And make, and you guys understand till now. And Spring provide at last filter is called as a at last filter is called as a authenticated filters. Authenticated filter, just filter, I just written filter. Okay, I will erase it. Okay, authenticated security filter at last. Okay, how it is flows, I will go first, and after it is confirmed, all filters are verified, are validated. After it send the incoming request to control layer. In control layer, as usual, in control layer will pass service layer, and service layer will automatically calls repo repo layer, and make sure it the incoming request, whatever it is, it comes back to incoming request as a security filters. If we provided a custom exception handler in security filters, you think, if you think we provided custom security filter, make I will I you guys, I'm telling that in this security filter we provided a custom. We If you don't provided, maybe it will not come back. If we provided, it will come back. We provided custom security exception handler. Okay, we provided that first filter, and second filter we provided custom security filter, and make at last by default authenticated security filter is present. In this way we have to create those class and we put into security filters, and make sure we have to set a value, authenticated value true, otherwise it will not go to control layer, and automatically it comes back. Automatically it comes back. Okay guys, you understand how it is work. I will go now implementing on. Sorry for this. I actually made actually take 1 hour 5 6 minutes, so I will implement this feature in next video. Sorry for this. I hope you guys understood. Please share and subscribe. I know I am not teach well. I hope but I did my best to teach you guys. Okay. mm, Please share, subscribe, share and like and subscribe YouTube channel. Share and subscribe YouTube channel, guys. I hope I will do make videos on. I want to make a videos on lead code problems. I am working on it. I will come back with the lead code problems as well. Please do something. I dislike it. I will do my best in next video. Bye guys.